I'm Connie, and this is my kitchen, and this is my partner in crime.
Hi guys, it's me, Summer, and you guys all know me from Summer's Homemade Meals, and this is Connie's from Connie's Sweetest Things. This is my sister, and she's going to show you guys today that she's making
Halal Fondant with halal marshmallows made by Wellmade over here. So this is very simple, very easy. These are two 5-ounce packages right here. So I am opening up both of these packages right here. They're 5.3 ounces, but I'm still going with the 10 ounces here, if you know what I mean. And I am going to be adding 3 tablespoons of water. All right. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. When I take it out of the microwave, I'm going to mix it. Put it back in for another minute, mix it, and at least 1 more minute and mix it. So I'm taking 2 pounds of powdered sugar. And usually I do it in my bowl, but I want to get a little bit more interactive. Summer, would you like to go and mix that?
Yes.
I am going to pour this powdered sugar all over my countertop.
Should I mix this?
Yes, please.
Yay. How fun! Where's the kids?
I am going to show you right now what I'm doing is I'm kind of like adding a little crater over here, you guys could say.
A crater?
A crater. Isn't that cool? And also too, I brought up some vegetable shortening right here. This right here is going to be the part where it doesn't stick to my hands. So you guys, this is the part where we have fun, all right? Let's go ahead and start pouring it right in the middle.
I'm ready for you. It's nice and fluffy, actually. It's like a whipped cream fluff. This is really, really cool.
So if you guys like make pasta, it's kind of like almost what I'm doing here. It's alive!
It's alive.
All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm kind of like kneading this in. So far we're on about 2 minutes, I would say. So about a good 3 to 5 minutes. What you're trying to do is you're trying to bind this all and make it into one nice sized dough ball here.
Okay. So Connie, you're just about done. It looks like you've got some good fondant in front of you.
Yeah, you guys, I don't want any of this other stuff over here. This stuff I can use, but I'm not gonna bother with because this right here makes your fondant ball really clumpy and you don't. Summer's actually working on it right there.
You can give this to the kids. They would have so much fun with this.
Now, here's the next step. I'm really making sure that this ball of fondant is completely done here. And you guys see that? All of that stuff, this is all gunk. I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag. And if you guys didn't know, you guys can refrigerate this for up to 3 months or freeze it for up to 6 months. And you don't wanna immediately use this on a cake. So anyways, yes, you wanna put it in the fridge for about 24 hours. I just took this right now out of the microwave, you guys. I'm gonna show you. When it comes out of the refrigerator, it's very, very hard. So you guys are gonna have to microwave it, but be very, very careful. When you over microwave it, it becomes just like the beginning where it's very slimy and soft. So you guys wanna make sure it's a nice, if you guys could see right here, this is what I want. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. I just put powdered sugar down on the bottom and I am just kneading it in real quick right here. I am going to be covering the cake and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. And this particular cake is going to be a cupcake. So I'm always adding sugar because look, it's still sticking to the bottom right here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm smoothing it out really good. This is exactly what I want right here. So this is the part where I am going to have a little bit of fun over here. Can you give me my roller over there? And I'm rolling it out basically. And the thickness of rolling this out is you have to be very careful. You don't want it to be too thin and you don't want it to be too thick. When she brings me out the cake, what I'm doing here is I'm rolling it over here first, just on my rolling pin.
So basically, the more generous you are with your rolled fondant, the better product you're gonna come out with. Let it kind of drape over the edges and pull its weight down because then you won't have these corner creases where you're trying to bind them together. And this is really awesome. Connie, that was so quick. I can't believe how quick
you guys, you don't normally get this. You really, really don't. So what I'm doing here now is I'm going to be smoothing this out. I will be flipping this over. So what do you do with the extra fondant you have? Well, you do what I do. I'm using it for the next cake possibly. So, and by the way, I would recommend you, especially when you're doing fondant cakes, to do it the day before because this fondant is very soft right now. So this fondant is going right into the fridge. And if you guys notice that this looks like a tall cup right here. I'd like to say thank you so much. I'm going to show you guys my last of the presentation. This right here was made out of the Halal Fondant, which was made by Wellmade marshmallows. Thank you so much for having me on. I'm so glad I got the feature on here. And if you guys can see, this was made with all of that halal marshmallows, again, by Wellmade. You can pick them up at your local grocery store. If you're in the local area of a Metro Detroit, they do have a website, and probably see if they're somewhere online you can, grab it from. Thank you so much for having me.
Look at what a beautiful job Connie did with these marshmallows. She created this fondant. It's an amazing recipe. This fondant is amazing to use. Most people are afraid to make it themselves. The way she made it today turned out perfect. I played around with the fondant and she did an amazing job. Thank you, Connie.
Thank you.